Hello guys, this is Crypto Mode and I would like to uh, invite all ladies and gentlemen to this channel which is dedicated to cryptocurrency and blockchain and all these beautiful things that are going up nowadays. I'm basically targeting this channel towards a couple of crowdfunding initiatives, couple of educational rewards platforms which basically give you a chance to learn and earn. And the names of these two platforms are Bitlocity and Co-op 5050. Let's first start with Bitlocity. So basically, Bitlocity is a P2P crowdfunding initiative which is based on smart contracts, and it is basically an educational rewards platform which leverages on the blockchain technology and all the various advantages and applications of blockchain technology, and it allows the users to gain access to a lot of learning materials on blockchain technology and also cryptocurrency, because basically cryptocurrency is to blockchain technologies what email is to internet. So blockchain is going to be the next big thing around, and it is estimated that blockchain technology will contribute almost $1.76 trillion to the global GDP. So that is a very big number. So people who are still not into blockchain and crypto and all these things, and especially with Bitcoin recently touching the $60,000 mark, it's a very big thing, and you need to go into this as early as possible because it's only going to go up and not down. So I also got more involved in cryptocurrency because of all this COVID-19 and the pandemic and all these difficult financial situations going around. I got involved a couple of months back, and in the last month I started my journey with Bitlocity. So there are basically two parts, I can say three parts of the compensation plan which are really good about Bitlocity. The first plan is targeted towards little people, the little guy like you and me, people who don't really have access to a lot of financial resources and even a lot of contacts whom they can leverage these platforms too. So the first compensation plan called the Infinity Line is targeted towards the little guy, and you can basically join Bitlocity at a minimum membership fee of $25. It's an annual membership fee, and in which you get to get access to all the various features of Bitlocity and also their mobile application. And to enroll in this Infinity Line, which is the first compensation plan, you got to take two memberships. One is the $25 bronze and the other is the $50 silver, which gives you direct access to the Infinity Line. And what the Infinity Line is and how it works, I have dedicated videos in my channel which are explaining all these things, so you can check those in details. You can also get in touch with me if you want to understand the inner workings. But this is the first cool thing about Bitlocity. It is targeting people like you and me who don't really have access to too many resources, and we can get something to earn while learning some good things about blockchain and all these things. The second part of the compensation plan is targeted towards the medium people, like people who have got some access to financial resources and also got some contacts, and that is basically the uni level and the speed matrix, which starts from the $75 gold level. So description of this is also included in my channel, in my videos. You can go through them. And the next is targeted towards the leaders who can really encourage large teams of people to join their channel and really contribute towards the growth of Bitlocity. So Bitlocity is basically rewarding them for their actions and encouraging people to join the platform. So it's a very interesting package. It's a very interesting journey. You cannot really expect to have results overnight, but in my case, I joined recently. I'm still awaiting some withdrawals because I'm still on the Infinity line, and the Infinity line has got some limitations, and with regards to the size of the pool and the frequency of the line, and therefore there could be some limitations on how quickly you can draw the withdrawals. But as and when the size of the company grows, and it is basically in its paid pre-launch, but when the size of the company grows, it can really accelerate, and it can really do wonders for the little guy. So I think this is a very good opportunity for people like you and me to become part of the blockchain revolution and part of the Bitcoin revolution, and really get some Bitcoin. So I think if you like my channel, if you really believe that this is a very good opportunity, you can basically press the subscribe button below, and you can like my channel, and I will post other videos in the future, and I know it is going to be a very good journey. Thank you.